Lilac Street Eyelashes were created for anyone who is tired of applying strip eyelashes every time they want to level up their eyelash game. Say goodbye to thick, noticeable bands and cheap drugstore eyelashes that fall apart after just one use. And say hello to Lilac DIY eyelash extensions. If you're looking for an extremely natural finish, Lilac Street Natural DIY eyelash extensions are perfect for you. There's no band and they just get applied right underneath the eyelash. It hides them completely and everyone's gonna think they're your real lashes. Now, you might be wondering what DIY eyelash extensions are. DIY eyelash extensions are essentially salon quality eyelash extensions that you can apply from the comfort of your home. It's so easy nowadays to spend $70 to almost $200 on eyelash extensions in salon parlors. This is exactly why Lilac Street prides itself on providing natural and affordable eyelash extensions. The average drugstore eyelash is really only meant to stay on for one day. We have way better news for you. The average person can get about 3 to 6 days of wear with our regular eyelash glues and 5 to 10 days with our Pro Eyelash Glue. Now we're gonna do a little comparison between strip eyelashes and the Lilac Street's Dawn Lash Clusters in 12mm length. I'm wearing the strip eyelashes on the right. You can see the thick band on the top of my eyelashes. The glue and the eyelashes make it look really fake. On the left, you'll see how natural the Lilac Street eyelashes look. There's no band and the lashes look so natural, soft, fluffy, and real. If that hasn't sold you yet, just wait until you see how easy these eyelashes are to apply. My favorites are the originals, so I want to show you guys how these look and how to apply them. Now, there's no need to panic because you don't need any prior experience applying eyelashes. It can take a couple practice tries to get the hang of it, but once you've got it, you can boil the process down into 4 easy steps. First, apply glue to your lash segment and to your lashes. Then, apply the lash segment underneath your natural lashes. Next, you'll fuse your real and fake lashes with our lash applicator and the Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. Finally, you'll seal it all together by combing the crystal coat through your new lashes. Isn't this just magic? Lilac Street eyelashes are such amazing quality and they give such a natural look. Lilac Street eyelashes are recommended for any occasion, from events to vacations to everyday wear. It's the perfect product to give your appearance a natural boost without having to apply makeup or strip lashes every day. If you're looking for an affordable, natural, and very easy to apply eyelash extension, shop Lilac Street now for the most natural lashes you can find.